जीके क्विज की यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। हम आज डिस्कशन करेंगे एमएस वर्ड एमसीक्यू पार्ट 2, जिसमें हम टॉप 20 एमएस वर्ड क्वेश्चन के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे। व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की टू undo the last action in a documents? Answer: Ctrl plus Z. Next, how to remove all character formats? Answer: Ctrl plus spacebar. Next, what is the shortcut key to close active document in Microsoft Word? Answer: Ctrl plus F4. Next, which would you choose to save a documents with a new name? Answer: click File, Save As. Next, which option in File pull down menu is used to close a file in MS Word? Answer: close. Next, Ctrl plus O. Answer: open document. Next, which feature do you use to create a newspaper like document? Answer: columns. Next, a dash contain buttons, box and menus that allow tasks to be performed more quickly than using the menu bar. Answer: toolbar. Next, to convert a hyperlink email address to regular text, right click the email address and then click dash on the shortcut menu. Answer: remove hyperlink. Next, which enable you to move directly to specific location in a document? Answer: cross reference. Next, each time the dash key is pressed, the paragraph formatting in the previous paragraph is carried forward to the next paragraph. Answer: enter. Next, what is the shortcut key for subscript the selected text? Answer: Ctrl plus equal to. Next, what is the shortcut key you can press to create a copyright symbol? Answer: Alt plus Ctrl plus C. Next, what is the shortcut key to open font dialog box? Answer: Ctrl plus D. Next, what is the shortcut key to center align the selected text? Answer: Ctrl plus E. Next, what is the shortcut key for spelling check in documents? Answer: F7. Next, what is the shortcut key to update formula in a table? Answer: F9. Next, what is the shortcut key for font dialog box? Answer: Ctrl plus D. Next, what is the shortcut key for find and replace dialog box? Answer: Ctrl plus H. Next, what is the shortcut key to insert hyperlink in a document? Answer Control plus K. Thank you watching for my YouTube channel.